Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today we will talk about the verse in Ashtavakra Gita in which Raja Janaka tells Ashtavakra, it is bondage if you are attracted towards senses, and it is freedom when you detach yourself from your senses. Senses. Senses are from the etheric body in the mind body complex. To brush up our knowledge, let me tell you that when the soul or the soul spark decides to lord it over the material nature, it gets trapped in a cocoon of mind body complex, which is made up of first layer causal intelligence, second layer astral mind, third layer etheric body, and fourth layer gross body. Now, etheric body is made up of ether, and the gross body is made up of air, fire, water, and earth. There is one more fifth element which is known as false ego. False ego is when a living entity identifies himself or herself with this mind body complex and not with the fact that it was originally the soul spark. Now, we need not distract ourselves with other things. Senses. The etheric senses are five in number. They are sight, second, hearing, third, smell, fourth, taste, and fifth, touch. Bondage is when we use these senses and get attracted to something which these senses show us or exhibit to us as attractive. Freedom is when we refuse to be attracted or attached to any sensory object or sense. Now, how it is possible? First, of the five evils that have been prescribed in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the first one is called lust. Lust is sex, a rough or a raw way of expressing love. It is actually a carnal way of expressing love and is so base that it is used by those who are interested in carnal pleasures. This lust is encouraged by these five senses, especially the tongue for taste and the skin for touch, plus the smell, nose, and the sight, ears. You look at a beautiful person, a very attractive and voluptuous woman. Here the sight attracts a person towards you. You smell the fragrance from that person when she comes near you, and that is the second snag. Third, your tongue is used to flatter this person for her beauty and attraction, and you express your desire to be with her, to like her, to love her, to sleep with her, to cohabit with her. Fourth, if that person agrees, you sleep with this person and your skin touches her skin. All these are sensory perceptions. They have come from the senses of the etheric body. The senses of the etheric body are given an outlet to a particular living entity through his or her sense organs, that is, two eyes for sight, two ears for hearing, one nose for smelling, one tongue for taste, and the whole skin for touch. If you get attracted towards an object or a human being through these senses, then that is bondage. Because once you are attracted, you want to covet that person. Your mind is fogged. Your senses don't come into or remain in your control. You are preoccupied with coveting that particular object or that particular person, and that is bondage. Despite the fact that you don't know that person or that object, or whether if, when you taste some sweet meat it is good for your health, or you smell some fragrance which is not poisonous, then that is bondage. You are attracted to something which may be detrimental to your health. Ashtavakra and Raja Janaka say that you should be ever beware of such a bondage. You should detach yourself from your senses, and the best way to do that is by self-realization, knowledge of the self, and abiding in the self. If you abide in yourself and you feel happy and contented in your own company, you will not bother about any sort of senses which come from outside in the universe. Once you start abiding with yourself, slowly but steadily you will become a part of the self. Then on, you will be totally detached towards this universe which appears as a bubble in the endless ocean of the self. This is the way to self-realization, liberation, deliverance, understanding our Brahman, and to finally going back to Godhead. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. If you sincerely believe that what I am talking makes sense, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can remind you of my past and future videos. That is all for the present. Till we meet in my next video, it is good afternoon from TSB Raghavan.